Hi there guys, it's me again here. In this video I will show you how to remove last seen recently in Telegram. First guys, you need to go on your Telegram application and then you should choose the three dots icon on your left upper side. Beside that, you need to go on the settings side, and then as you can see right here you have many options, but you need to choose the privacy and security, the second selection. Now guys, on the privacy side you have 8 options in which you can need to choose the fourth one or the third one, which is included with the last seen online, just by clicking on it. And right after that they are asking you the question, who can see your last seen time? Now you need to choose the third selection that says nobody. Click on it, and as you can see also on the description side right down you have you won't see last seen or online statuses for people with whom you don't share yours. Approximately times will be shown instead, recently, within a week, within a month. Now when you go on nobody, you need to click on the right tick on your right upper side. Right after then guys, you know how to remove last seen recently in Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.